A fresh leak has offered the first visual clues around the OPPO Find X9s, a compact flagship expected to sit below the Pro and Ultra models in OPPO's 2026 lineup. The render shows a vertical, pill-shaped camera island with 3 rear cameras. 2 large lenses dominate the layout. The Find X9s is also tipped to come with 2 200-megapixel cameras using Samsung's HP5 sensor. This would include a main camera and a 3x periscope telephoto lens, alongside an ultra-wide camera. The Find X8s was powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus SoC, so if MediaTek releases a Dimensity 9500 Plus, then surely that will be inside the X9s. With Android 16 and ColorOS 16 out of the box, the Find X9s will feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. Include a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the screen. The Find X9s will still pack a 7000 mAh battery, which would be a significant jump up from its predecessor's 5700 mAh cell. The Find X9 Ultra and Find X9s will both allegedly get global releases sometime between April and June. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.